Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the March edition of Turf Talk. We had a quite busy February. We applied pre-emergent to all the rough with a fertilizer. We put out our mole cricket application this year. Again, this year we used a different method where we did not slice it into the fairway, so you don't see those slice marks for weeks upon weeks. We actually used a deal where they call air slit, so there was minimal disruption. We increased the amount of area that we treated by 40 acres per golf course, so it was about almost a 100% increase in area treated. So we treated all the primary play areas, which will also help minimize fire ants. That's just kind of an added bonus to the mole cricket treatment. In addition to that, we definitely fertilized all the rough a fourth time since October. And then we'll also be pre-emerging again on the fairways and the tees coming mid-March. We're moved our pre-emergent up from every 90 days to every 60 days. Like the mole cricket treatment that we expanded, this is a effort for us to have more inputs, better control, and provide a better playing condition golf course by increasing our pre-emergent applications from every 90 days to every 60 days. We've been adding sand to the tour bunkers. I think we're about 2 to 4 holes remaining, but we should finish that up by the middle of next week would be the goal. And then all of the tour bunkers will have had sand added to them starting from the end of January through February and into the first or second week of March. And then the next coming month, March, most of it's going to be just trying to maintain the golf courses, get them back to as green as we possibly can, get the rough as thick as we can, not too thick, not too penal, but just provide you the best playing product we can as we get a very busy March and April ahead of us. Some other things that we've been working on this past month is dressing up the landscaping around the clubhouse. You can see we put this wash shell in this bed here that comes off the Champ Tee at number 1 Tour. We've put quite a bit of mulch all around the front of the clubhouse, planted some new plants in a few places. You can see we got some new fresh mulch there. Just doing whatever we can to kind of dress up the clubhouse and give it a little more pizzazz. And while we were working on the clubhouse with the landscaping stuff, we went ahead and extended it out around the tour putting green across from number 1 tee on the tour. Added in more fresh wash shell around these beds, some mulch in the FACA bed. We also did some around 10 tee on the tour and the players putting green, trying to dress those areas up and clean them up.